Morning students, today we are going to consider some special cases, that is some special cases to construct the quadrilaterals. Square, rhombus, rectangle, square, rhombus, rectangle, parallelogram. When less than 5 measures are given, when less than 5 measures are given, we already learned the different types of constructions. In that constructions, if we want to draw the quadrilateral, then we must know minimum 5 things. If you know 4 things, if you know 3 things, then you can't draw the quadrilateral. But when the name of that particular quadrilateral is given, at that time if they have given less than 5 measures, then also we can draw the quadrilateral. Suppose we have to draw the square and they have given only one side, and we know that by using the properties of square we must have to draw that square. If one side is given, then we must know the property of square regarding the side. All the sides of squares are equal. Suppose one side is given as 4, then remaining 3 sides also 4. We also know the each and every angle of a rectangle is of 90 degree measure. By using that measures, you have to draw the particular type of given quadrilateral. Here first we draw the square. Exercise 4.5. Draw the square, read, with RE equal to 5.1 centimeter. RE equal to 5.1 centimeter. First we draw the rough diagram. Rough diagram square. READ, read is the square. Then RE is given 5.1. We know that all angles of rectangle are 90 degree and all sides are equal. Therefore, remaining sides also are of measure 5.1. Since they have given only one measure, RE is equal to 5.1, but by using the properties we can find 4 measures and 4 measures. Total 8 measures we can find. Out of that they have given only one, we find the remaining 7 by using the properties of that regarding quadrilateral, and here the quadrilateral is square. Now we draw that. Steps of construction. In such type of problems, you have to find another measures by using the properties of that particular type of quadrilateral. Here the type of quadrilateral is square. We use the 2 properties. All sides of square are equal, therefore all sides are equal in length. All angles are of 90 degree, therefore each and every angle of that READ square is 90 degree. Step number 1, first we draw a segment RE of length 5.1 centimeter. First draw RE 5.1 centimeter length, or of 5.1 centimeter length. Draw horizontal segment RE. Then step number 2, draw angles of 90 degree at points R and E. In second step, we have to draw an angles of 90 degree measure at point R as well as point E, because both the angles are of 90 degree. We know right angle is always straight, which is perpendicular. This angle 90, this angle 90. Then step number 3. By taking the distance 5.1 in compass, by putting the tip of compass at point R, draw an arc. Draw an arc of length 5.1 centimeter from point R as well as from point E. You have to take the distance 5.1 in compass by keeping the tip of compass first at point R and then draw an arc of length 5.1. Suppose it intersect here, that point we get is point D. Then by keeping the same distance, because EA distance is also 5.1. We already consider RD distance as 5.1. Now we have to consider EA distance 5.1. Therefore keep the same distance, put the tip of compass at point E now, draw an arc which intersects suppose at point this point, denote that point as point A. Then by using scale, join DA. This distance is also 5.1, this distance is also 5.1. Then DA, by using join DA, and then we get the quadrilateral READ as a square. How much dimensions we use here? Only 5. 5.1 first, then 2 angles, then this side, 3 sides and 2 included angles. By using that construction, we draw the quadrilateral reed. Now we move